Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Ford Super Duty F-250. Stock number is 18F740A. Starting right away up front, you have a nice chrome grille as well as the easy access front tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. You do have alloy wheels wrapped with General Grabber tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. There's no rips, no stains, no tears of any sort. One more look down the passenger side, and then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch here on the back. Taking a look at the bed now. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside, you have the usual power amenities here on the door. Cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls mounted here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control and four-wheel drive. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-250 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.